Hello my friends, welcome to Canaduino channel. This is Uncle Misha. So I hope you remember one of my videos where I assembled this amplifier based on TDA 2030A amplifier from Philips, I think, but this is not particularly Philips, it's like a knockoff of some sort, I think. But anyways, so it uses a power supply, 12-volt power supply, and two speakers I pulled out of the car. This is full range speakers. It has a woofer sort of, and the tweeter which is inside here. If you see, it's like double cones. So that's full range from the car. So this is essentially got for free. This I bought on eBay, and where you get it is actually in the video. So today I decided to improve on that design. So I'm a MacGyver like something like this. So what's this about? This is to create a little contraption which is gonna keep all this stuff together. So for example, the board is gonna be situated right here, the speaker is gonna be situated right here, and the power source will be right here. And my idea is to use 4 18650s batteries to power this guy. So this design obviously I can share with everyone if you are guys interested. So please tell me at the end of the video if you like what you see, and we have to assemble this all together and see how it works and how it looks like. So let's do it. So this is my idea. Probably we start with this let's say battery compartment. So this for 4 18650, so it's going to roughly run at well, in the best circumstance 16 volt, but this is like, it should be good enough, because I could have used 3 of them, but I decided that 4 will be better. And because for some reason this is oriented plus 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 plus, I mean they are symmetrical, but plus 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 is it just indicated here, I'm gonna wire them like this. I know it'll be extra, a little bit more wire, but that's what we have. So we have some wire, we have some 5mm barrel connector just to connect it with this guy. Also we would need some screws. So these screws are going to be used to secure the speakers. Alright, I'll put them here. These screws are going to be used to secure the board to the frame, and this double-sided tape will be used to secure this into here. I decided to not to play with screws because I wanted to have this surface nice and clean. Alright, so let's start assembling with the battery compartment. I use our wire stripper while a soldering iron gets up to speed. All right, so we have it, and it's gonna be placed right here, like something like this. Okay, I think this is pretty much all the soldering job that I have to do for this project, unless I break something. Okay, so this is done. So this is our battery compartment. Let me pull out some batteries and see if here is the correct voltage. So here we are. This is 4 fully charged 18650s LG batteries. Oh wow, that's a really tight fit here, jeez. Well, on the positive side, it's not gonna be falling out of here. Okay, so let's take a multimeter. And measure. Yep, here we are, 16.4 volt. That's gonna be perfect. Center positive. All right, so this contraption is good. Let's put it to the side. Okay, next, probably the biggest challenge is gonna be putting those speakers. Speakers gonna be on this side, so I don't want to really shorten these wires actually, or maybe I should. I have to think about it. Alright, so for now we're gonna place them like this. Okay, and the wire should go through here. This is the idea. Okay, so now we have those M4 screws which are long enough. I don't have any like M4 inserts, unfortunately. Oh yeah, here. Where are they? So I just gonna like thread this straight into the plastic. This is temporary. I will come up with design where there is a metal threaded inserts, because this is quite flimsy, but it's okay. It kind of works, but it is flimsy. Yeah. So also I noticed an improvement of the design is to make a taper right here. So you're gonna taper this because this would fit better. But for now it's gonna work. It's gonna be still improvement, but for now I think this is the best effort design, best design effort I have, and I think it's good. It's gonna be working nicely together. Okay, oh wow, it's done now, it's super heavy. So this is the design idea, that you have this handle right here, okay, and you can just hold on to it. But I think I found the problem a little bit with this design, because when I screw the board in here, it's gonna have a little bit of an issue, but it's still gonna work. Okay, looks like we need different kind of screwdriver here. Is this gonna work? Here we are. Again, same story. This is M3, but just self-tapped. Probably could have used a smaller screw, shorter. Nice. Oh wow, it bends. Yikes, those speakers are heavy. Technically, I don't even need 4 screws here, because it just should be secure enough. All right, Oh, it's also improved the rigidity of the whole thing. Very cool. Okay, this is a little bit, oh no, that's not overside. Need to think about how to secure this. Okay. Yeah, looks like those wires are too long, so I have to come up with some kind of idea. Okay, which is left, which is right. Okay, this is right speaker. Goes in here, and this is left speaker. Okay, here we are. So this is okay, this is not okay. It's too much wire, so we have to solve this. Okay, but for now, this is looking cool. So now let's just assemble the power source. Okay, for power source, my original idea was to use this double-sided tape. Let's see how that gonna play. So instead of this 3M tape, I decided to use this alien tape, which is kind of cool and I like it a lot. The only thing is like super sticky thing. Let's just give it a shot. 1, 2 for now. Okay. Alright, just let's pass those wires in such a way. Okay, let's see how that's gonna fly, because looks like the wires are sticking out a little bit too far, right? Where are positives? Okay. It's not reaching out the bottom of the... Okay, it did work actually after all. No. Okay, well, this is the design flaw actually, so I have to find the right angle one. It's a bit of a problem. So, okay, looks like we have put this all together and I already see a few issues. So issue number 1, guess what's missing? Okay, power switch is missing. Power switch is missing, well, unless I do this. But for now, this is something I have to think about. So power switch is missing definitely here. Number 2, power indicator is missing. So that's going to be definitely an improvement project. But for now, let's try to play some music. Alright guys, while I was looking for audio source, I also decided to shorten those wires. Now they are much nicer looking. So, okay, so I have found here a audio source. That's going to be my LG G7 smartphone. So another cool thing, you can actually set up this guy like this. It's going to be just stand because it has enough weight balance front and back. So obviously probably you need to MacGyver some kind of proper feet or some kind of standoffs, but now it's just standing like this. Alright, let's get some music going. And we're gonna play some YouTube Patrick Patricios. Yeah, it just plays. Cool, that's all. It's not that powerful, but still. Oh, very boomy. Very trebly, obviously. Cool, I think this is good for now. It looks like my contraption has worked. There are a few improvements I have to do. For example, as you see here, it's because this screw is actually bent the frame. because it's actually like not fairly thick. It's hollow inside, plastic. So I have to either use longer screw or maybe use some standoffs here. But that's improvement. I have to still do. So here again, it looks like it's a bit too short of a screw, and it's kind of pulls it in because it's a self-tapped. So that has to be improved, but so far so good. Plus those things are heavy and they're just pulling stuff in. Oh, now I understand why it stands on its own, because I think it's because it's slightly bent here. That's why it's standing. Cool. Anyways, so I think this has potential, and I kind of gonna still improve it. If you guys interested into something like this, I can share the design with you. You can just repeat. The only downside is to finding the right car speaker. So these guys, I think, were pulled from Chrysler, because I have no idea if this is correct or not. But it looks like there is a little sign which looks like a sign of Chrysler, and the speaker is Oxford. I have no idea how else to read it. It says something blah blah blah, made in USA. Yeah, 71 to 73. All right, that's all I can read on this, barely read on this speaker. So I think it's gonna be it for now. Thank you guys for watching. I hope it was kind of interesting MacGyvering video. If you like something like that, please subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned, stay safe, and ciao.